So I'm here in the Palladium shopping mall in Mumbai. We've got the beautiful pianist playing outside. It's so calm in here and serene. And of course I had to stop by the Inglot shop, which I absolutely love. And if you haven't discovered Inglot yet, where have you been? It's an incredible Polish brand. It's very popular in Europe especially. And I think it's growing in popularity here. And I'm with the lovely Meher. Thank you so much for having a little chat with me. So Meher, tell me a little bit about Inglot and how long it's been here for.
It's been 4 years now.
Okay.
And it's from Poland.
Yes, yeah.
It's from Poland.
Yeah. I mean, I know it from the UK.
Okay.
And I do love the products. What I love about them is that you can refill them up. You know, you can get your palettes.
Yes. We have
and you can build them up. Love
so
that.
So people come and they can buy their own product. I mean, they can choose their own product and they can fill the palette.
It's great. And especially as a busy makeup artist, it's great to have the freedom system because you cherry pick the kind of colors that you want, pop them into your palette, and away you go.
Yeah.
It's great. Love that. But I wanted to chat to Meher about new products and also favorite products. So Meher, what are your 3 favorite products from Inglot?
The one is primer.
Okay.
This is very good. This
Yes.
is non-sticky.
So we've got the primer here.
Yeah.
So do you have multiple primers or is this the only one that you do?
The only one.
Okay.
And this is for all type skin.
Great. Ooh, I'm gonna pop some. Sorry, I'll squeeze it out. There you go. Got a little bit out there. So tell me how you would use that. Would you allow it to set for a while before you put your foundation on, or
Yes,
can you use it immediately?
After the moisturizer, you can use this, and before the foundation.
Yeah, there you go.
So
I'm gonna put a bit on.
Stay for long lasting.
What's your next
And
product?
the second one is HD foundation. It has
Ah,
high
okay.
definition
Yeah.
pigments. So if you use this, you don't need to use concealer, corrector, anything. This will hide your marks.
So you don't need to use anything else other than this. There you go. You see, and it's the HD. And how many shades do you have in this?
We have 18 shades.
18.
18 shades.
Okay. So I'm just putting a tiny bit on from the pump dispenser. Oh, okay.
This is very natural.
Very.
And
That's
the
cool.
third one is highlighter.
I love the highlighter. I have this in my kit. But I have the, it's in the Freedom System one, you know, the rectangular version of it.
Yes, we have that also.
Yeah. So, great. So if you didn't want to have it as a standalone, you could have it in the rectangular version and pop it in your Freedom System. So again, it limits the amount of space that you're taking up in your kit, because as a makeup artist, you know that you need to be very clever about how you pack, because otherwise you could be carrying around so many things. That's super. Because what we're doing with Makeup Week 2020 in March of next year here at St Regis in Mumbai, I wanted to talk about trends. What do you think you're going to see more of next year for trends when it comes to makeup?
The new product launch in December only.
Okay.
2 eyeshadow.
Yes.
I don't remember the name, but 2 eyeshadow will launch.
And what kind of colors are they?
One is cool color, one is warm color.
Okay.
So 2 palette will be launched
Okay. That's going to be in December.
in December.
Yeah.
This year.
And what do you think about looks that are going to be prevalent for next year? Do you think it's going to be more natural or quite dramatic in the trend? More natural. Everybody's saying more natural. So guys, throw away your heavy foundations, strip it back, because nature knows best. And for myself and for the lovely Meher here at Inglot, thanks so much. And we will see you at Makeup Week 2020 here in Mumbai, 23rd and 24th of March. Thank you.